Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Why are people buying this kid's bike on eBay for $229 when they could just go to Kmart and buy the exact same bike for only $79? That's nearly 3 times the price. Or, why are people purchasing this Barbie set on eBay for $49 when again they could just purchase it themselves straight from Kmart for only $19? This week's quick video is dropshipping explained. Now, before I get started, if you want to see more of these items that make over 100% profit, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to my channel. So first of all, just so we're on the same page, the term dropshipping means selling an item, and then after you've sold the item and the customer's paid you, you then order the item from your supplier, and your supplier ships the item direct to your customer. In the industry, dropshipping is also known as virtual inventory. With dropshipping, you never physically see or touch the item. Your supplier does all the hard work for you. They do the warehousing of the products, they order in the products from manufacturers, they finance the products until they sell, and then packing and shipping the inventory to your customers. With dropshipping, you're always cash flow positive, as you sell the items first and then get paid first before you purchase any inventory from your suppliers. So the question is, why do people pay higher prices on marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, Gumtree, Facebook Marketplaces, etc., and websites like Shopify store, etc., when they could just purchase the same items cheaper from suppliers? The answer is, some people do the research and find the cheapest source of the product. However, many don't. It's a similar question as to why do nearly 10% of all our orders from our Australian operation come from buyers in other countries. When you think about it, it's pretty crazy, as pretty much everything that we sell online in Australia comes from China, Malaysia, Thailand and Vietnam. So why is somebody in, say, California purchasing from an Australian eBay, Amazon seller? If the buyers had just done more research, they almost certainly would have found USA suppliers that would have much lower shipping than we can do here from Australia. Pretty much everything that we sell here in Australia is available in other first world countries, like the USA. Bottom line is, humans are creatures of habit. Sometimes people will spend the time researching to find lower prices. Other times, they'll just log on to their favourite marketplace, i.e. eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplaces, etc., and hit the buy button. There's also different personality types. Some personality types like to do research, others don't. If you want to see more items that are making over 100% profit, I have a whole entire free online course. Make sure you check out this video up here. If you need more dropship supplies, I have a free list of over 900 popular dropship supplies from a previous week's video that you can download right now, again for free. I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more items that are making over 100% profit, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.